Mob Entertainment is doing something very weird right now, because over the past few days, they have been posting some of the strangest messages we've ever seen from them. And at first, these messages might look completely random. Just some creepy sentences, some strange references, and a few messages that honestly make absolutely no sense. But when you put all of them together, I think Mob might actually be telling us something. And the craziest part? It could be connected to Experiment 82626. So let's cook. First, we need to talk about what Mob has actually been posting, because these messages are super interesting. One of their messages says, "Who I am does not matter. Only the work matters." Okay, who says something like that? This isn't the usual Poppy Playtime marketing where Mob simply shows us a character, gives us a creepy image, and leaves us with a few questions. No, this feels different, because this sounds like we're hearing directly from someone who has a purpose, someone who clearly knows what they're doing, and someone who doesn't care about revealing their identity right away, because apparently, the work is all that matters to them. But what exactly is the work? That's the first huge question. Is the work an experiment? Is it a plan? Is it something that has been happening inside Playtime Company for years? Or is this something completely new? Because Mob doesn't explain it. They just keep mentioning it, over and over and over again. And that makes me think this isn't just some random creepy phrase. It has to mean something. And then Mob posted another message. This one says, "The old radios still crackle in the dark. I hear everything through them. I hear you. Keep scrolling. And then, I can wait." Bro, that is way too specific. Why are radios important? Why can this person hear everything through them? And most importantly, who are they listening to exactly? Because the message doesn't clearly explain what this mysterious thing is actually hearing through that radio. But there's one detail that really caught my attention. It says, "I hear you," not someone else, not the people inside the factory. You, which could mean US. And this is where things start getting really interesting. Because what if this isn't just a character communicating with someone inside the factory? What if this character is somehow communicating directly with the player? And that leads me to one possibility. Could this be Harley Sawyer? Now, obviously, I'm not saying this is confirmed, but Sawyer is one of the characters we know has been heavily involved with the experiments and the operations of Playtime Company. And if there's one thing Sawyer seems capable of, it's knowing way more than he tells us. We've already seen how much information and control the higher-ups at Playtime Company had. So what if this mysterious character has some kind of way to monitor what's happening? Maybe through cameras, maybe through the old factory communication systems, or maybe through the radios. And remember, the message specifically says, "The old radios still crackle in the dark." That makes it sound like whoever is speaking is somewhere dark and isolated. Maybe somewhere deep inside the factory. Maybe somewhere we haven't explored yet. And if they really can hear us, then the question becomes, how long have they been listening? Because that would completely change how we look at these messages. And it gets even crazier. Because then Mob posted, "The frequency is mine now. New hands have found me. Good. The work has been waiting." Wait a second. What the hell does new hands mean? That could be extremely important. Because this could mean that someone useful has finally found this mysterious character. And that's why the message says, "Good." It's almost like this thing has been waiting for someone to discover the frequency, like it wanted someone to find it. And now that someone has finally connected to it, the work can continue. But who are these new hands? Are they the players? Are they new test subjects? Are they another experiment? Or is Mob literally talking about a character with hands? Because in the Poppy Playtime universe, we know how important hands can be. The player has the grab pack. The experiments have different abilities. And the factory itself is filled with creatures and experiments designed for specific purposes. So when Mob says, "New hands have found me," I don't think we should immediately assume it means something literal. It could simply mean that new people have discovered that frequency. But there's another possibility. What if this mysterious character actually needs these people? That's why it says, "Good." And then immediately, the work has been waiting. Almost as if the work couldn't continue until someone found them. And if that's true, then we're not just discovering something. We're being recruited into it. But here's where things get even more interesting. Because the next message might tell us exactly where this mysterious thing is. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this. And that brings us to the newest message. Mob says, "Something stirs beneath the factory floor. Soon, I will have use for you. The work is not finished with you. Under the factory floor. That phrase immediately sounds familiar. Because if you've played Poppy Playtime, you already know that mob loves putting its biggest secrets underneath the factory. We've gone deeper and deeper into Playtime Company throughout the series. And every time we think we've reached the bottom, there's another level, another facility, another experiment, another secret. But this message doesn't simply say that. Something is happening somewhere. Inside the factory, it specifically says, beneath the factory floor. And then it says, something stirs. Something is moving. Something is waking up. Something is crawling beneath us. And if something is actually crawling underneath the factory, then that thing could be huge. Think about it. If whatever is down there is large enough for its movement to actually be described as something stirring beneath the factory floor, what the hell could it be? And this is where I have another theory. What if it's PJ Pug-a-Pillar? Now hear me out. PJ Pug-a-Pillar is already an absolutely massive creature. And we know that PJ can move through long, enclosed spaces. So if there were some gigantic underground area beneath the factory, PJ could potentially have a much bigger role than we originally thought. Imagine you're playing the new multiplayer game with your friends. You're walking through some underground area. Everything is quiet. You're talking to your friends through proximity chat. And suddenly, you hear something moving underneath you. Not in front of you. Not behind you. Under you. Then the floor starts shaking. And you realize something enormous is crawling beneath the factory. That would be insane. But still, this is just an assumption. And also one more thing I want you to do right now is that comment your theory right now. Because maybe there is a chance that the next theory video can be from your own comment. So like and subscribe and have a good day.